All right, so in the second part of Unit 2 coding, they're going to ask you to find the mean, the standard deviation, and then the median, IQR, min, max, that kind of stuff. So I've imported the college football data set, the one we used last time, with all this stuff in it. So if you want to find mean, it follows the same code as histogram and table. So we're going to type mean, and then inside the parentheses is data set, money sign, variable. So our data set is called football. And if we want mean points per game, we want the, we want the mean of points. So we run that, and then we see in the bottom left, it tells me my mean is 28.686. Okay, so if you want the mean, just type mean, and then inside parentheses, data set, money sign, variable. Standard deviation is the exact same code as mean, except you do SD instead of mean. So standard deviation, type SD, and then inside the parentheses, it's data set, money sign, variable. All right, so just to recap, mean, and then parentheses, data set, money sign, variable. For standard deviation, you do SD, and then data set, money sign, variable. And when we do standard deviation down here, it tells me the standard deviation is 6.94. Okay? The 5-number summary is a little trickier. If you want like median and IQR, you're going to have to code for the entire 5-number summary. So you just do 5num, with an M, 5num, and then inside is still the same. And then you see down here, it gives me all 5 numbers. And remember that the 5 numbers are minimum, Q1, median, Q3, maximum. So it asked me for the median, you would just put 29.1, because it's the middle number. If it asked for IQR, you would do Q3 minus Q1. And you can just use, a calculator, or R can be your calculator. So 33.1 minus 24.2. And this is finding IQR. So 33.1 minus 24.2. I hit run, and then it can be my calculator. It can tell you, oh, it's 8.9. All right, so there's the new code. You're still going to have to make a new data frame and stuff, but I figure we've done that enough by now. If you still need help with that, just go back to a previous video on how to do that.